Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today we are gonna start our second lecture. So let's start with wherever we left from. Chapter 7, The Flying Machine 1, page 66. A little overview before we start off. Sami has shown his designs to Uncle Salim and has collected material to build his glider and has taken permission from his father to build the flying machine in the garage. Now let's see what happens next. The next day, Sami started work. He made the wings of the glider out of bamboo. He put screws in all the joints and tied them up tightly with string. So this is the work process, how he started his work. After getting the permission to use garage as his workshop, he started to work over the glider. How he started it? He started to put screws first in all the joints of bamboo stick, bans, and tied them up with a string. Then he covered the wings with sheets of newspaper and fixed some wood beneath the wings. And after making the structure, the scaffolding for the glider, he covered it with the sheet of newspaper and placed some pieces of wood beneath the wings, so that it would stay fixed. It won't move around, as you can see in the picture. Sami made a tailplane of bamboo and paper. Then he made a tailplane. Another word from our word to know dictionary. Tailplane means tail part of a plane. Here I can show you that this is the tailplane. Okay, he made a rod of bamboo so that the pilot could turn the tailplane to the right or to the left. So he made a rod steering rod like this for the pilot to steer the tailplane left or right. Sami painted the newspaper wings a bright blue. After placing the newspaper over the wings, he painted them bright blue, as you can see over here. In 2 months, the glider was finished. And if you recall, he estimated 2 months to build a glider. So he finished on time. Then he showed it to his father. His father was quite delighted. Quite delighted means very happy. On Sunday after breakfast, Sami took Uncle Salim to the garage to see the glider. "It doesn't look very strong," said Uncle Salim. "Oh, it is. Ye hai," said Sami. "It will easily carry you." What does carry means? To pick something up and to move around without letting that thing touch the ground. As you carry your bags to school, as you carry your books in your hand and move around your class, that is carrying. उठाकर कहीं पे लेके जाना. "What a noise there will be when I sit on it and everything breaks," thought Uncle Salim. Uncle Salim ने भी सोचा कि भाई जब मैं इस पे बैठूंगा और ये टूट जाएगी तो फिर कैसा ही शोर मचेगा. He laughed at his own thoughts.